Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I'll show you how to pin or spotlight a participant in Google Meet. This is really useful when you want to keep one person's video in focus. They're just for yourself or for everyone in the meeting. Let's get started. First, open Google Meet on your computer and join a meeting. Once you're inside, move your mouse over the video tile of the person you want to focus on. In the top right corner of their tile, you'll see 3 dots. Click on that dot now. You'll have 2 options. Participants. Video will stay big on your screen, but only you will see it that way. If you're the host and you want everyone in the call to focus on that person, select Spotlight instead. This makes their video the main one for the entire meeting. And if you ever want to go back, just click the 3 dots again and select Unpin or Remove Spotlight. And that's it. Super simple. And now you know how to keep the right person in view. During your Google Meet sessions, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.